Good morning, everybody. Ace Daily starts now. Well, I try to figure out how to. I guess I have to carry all this stuff. Oh, at the Ray County Courthouse in Ray County, Tennessee, Dayton, Tennessee, and this is the famous courthouse from the Scopes monkey trial. They refer to it as the Scopes Evolution Trial. It's considered one of the most significant trials of the 20th century. Scopes Evolution Trial featured the contest of issues argued by some of the most famous lawyers in America: creation versus evolution, science versus religion, majority versus minority rights, the role of parent and government in education were discussed at length. Again, this is also a courthouse. I'm going to be showing that too. Over here to the left of the entrance is the statue of William Jennings Bryan. This statue has been here for a little while. He was a presidential nominee, Secretary of State, a congressman. Bryan College also was dedicated in his name. He founded it. There's a spider web up there. Look at this. A statue of Clarence Darrow. He was the attorney for the defense. This statue is a little bit newer. We go over here to this side of the courthouse lawn. Train goes through. It's like the Dollywood train, it just has to keep blowing and pouring. This is the south. No, I'm sorry, this is the. I'm trying to remember my directions here. This is the eastern side of the courthouse. None of the clock faces have the same time. Here is their memorial for their fallen veterans. Here is the western facade. Market Street at the corner of Georgia Avenue at the site of F.R. Rogers' home. This is not the original Rogers house, but this retaining wall is original. This is the house where William Jennings Bryan died on July 26, 1925. Not this house, but it was right here. There's some walls made of rock in Tennessee. So this vehicle in front of me is a speed restricted vehicle. Yep, it can only go up to 75, poor guy. Man, these towns have cool caps for their drainage system. Denise corrected me, they're not caps. They're drawer. No, she said they're manhole covers. Yeah, manhole covers, not drawers. You've got pink on your face. Uh-oh, with your hair. Oh, we're crossing Southern Railway System.
The train's coming this way.
Could it be that? How you doing? What the heck? He was strange. Don't you think he was strange, Denise?
Yes. Yes, I do.
I wonder what that means. Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-boogie, woo-woo. Boogie Boogie. I believe this used to be a train station. And there it is, the famed Chattanooga Choo Choo. It's really cool. There are a lot of train cars here. There's Denise and the Chattanooga Choo Choo. It's a nice little garden. Alright, we're going to go somewhere else now. Let's go. World famous gentleman from Tennessee, Mr. Chattanooga. Mr. Nooga is from Tennessee. And he always spoke quite a bit. He was really surprised one day when he lost his voice. And that was the look he had when he lost his voice. For no longer was he Chattanooga, he was Silent Nooga. Little known fact about the Nooga family. The Nooga family was all famous down here. Chatty was the patriarch. He was Chatty Patty. Hey, there's our new sofa. Somebody left it here on the side of the road. Doesn't look very soft. It's a brick couch. It's a Tennessee Aquarium, Chattanooga. It's a neat bridge. What do you mean steep bridge? Looks like it would be fun to walk on for no particular reason. It doesn't go anywhere. Just over that under part. It's not like there's even a slide or anything. It's just... Okay. Yeah, I can see why they say no skateboarding. It's like cruel to have stuff like this and say no skateboarding. There's a nice little arched. Uh-oh. Denise, sounds like they're coming to get me. Wow. Pardon me, Roy. Is that the cat who ate my new shoes? Oh, no. Track 29. But can you give me a sign? That's really cool. Of course, I am singing with my wonderful voice, and somebody has to come and ruin it. And the song keeps going. And there's the last note. There's a bridge with cars coming on it. I like that, just in case you don't know what it's for. Let's say we're going to go this way. Uelohe Sadi. We've made it down to the Tennessee River. And there's the bridge that we were just watching cars come across. There's a neat little boardwalk. Look under the barks of these trees, it's blue. And if you look down here, you can see how it peels off. It's actually pretty cool. Here's what they look like. Oh, I got blue on my fingers now. Those are really neat. And there's the trail we walked up. We're still walking up. This is a neat little area with bridges and spiral staircases and bridges and bridges. And then we have Dead Man's Curve of walking pathways. Thinking going up a ramp like this is easier than stairs, you would be mistaken, because we're going uphill the whole time. We're almost there. Well, you see that bridge? That's where we're going, and we still have to find a way to get over there. Fun, fun, fun. We're getting our steps in today, that's for sure. Watch out, Denise. There's a bicyclist coming. Watch out. Watch out for the bicyclist. Oh, wait. Okay. Never mind. He's good. Well, that's cool. Okay. I'm walking on a bridge and I'm going over where I just walked. Walking, standing over cars. Okay. Oh, I almost stepped on that car, Denise. You're walking in the middle? Man, this is more fun. Right, we've made it to the bridge. At the Walnut Street Bridge. It's blue like Walmart. This is like one of the longest pedestrian bridges in the world. We're gonna walk it, I think. We'll see. I'm gonna walk it. Here we go. Dewey. I miss my Dewey. Here's what it looks like. Pretty cool. As you can tell, I'm facing west. There's the art museum, and then there's this island that's over there. It's pretty cool. Denise and I are in a John Grisham thriller right now. We've got people watching us, it seems like. Like there's a lady right over there on the opposite side, not her, over there, that's following us. It's keeping up step by step. I'd let y'all know who she was, but then she would know we were on to her. We're just going to keep going this way. We're going to try to lose her in the crowd that's coming up. Crowd, okay, I'm going to try to lose her. Here we go. Now Denise is over here beside me. So if she's following anybody, she's following her. Denise made me walk down a big step and I almost twisted her ankle. The plan worked. We lost her. She's not able to keep up with us any longer. I am smooth. Chattanooga and Lookout Mountain. That's a pretty cool angle. Also pretty flowers up here. It's Tommy Sparks. I wonder if Tommy is related to Robin. Sparkles. Oh, there's one for my friend Matt. The sun reflecting off those clouds is really beautiful. Across on the other side of the bridge, there are some major green areas which are really cool looking. Also, I'm going to walk over here. Major green area over here too. It's pretty cool. On the weather vane on the building, there's a bird on the tail, singing away. That is a bona fide tail bird. Just like the bird was on the end of the horse, we are at the end of the bridge, which brings us to the end of today's vlog. Remember everybody, if we don't see you in the future, we'll see you in the pasture. Bye. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you.